Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. This is the Devops mock interview day 189. We already completed 188 mock interviews. If you're watching this video for the first time, you can check out all mock interviews in the playlist section. Go to playlist section, there you can find, or you can go to course section as well. Let me guide you for that. Go to your YouTube search. Okay, let it load. Then search for Devops space EASY. Easy. Okay, you will get the first channel with 4000 plus subscribers. Yeah, go to courses. Okay, see Devops Mentor question and answers. You can find, you watch full course, or you can go to playlist section if you are not able to find in the course. And in the playlist also you will find, see, Devops. Yeah. So if you want tool wise, okay, if you have learned some tool and if you want to check your skill on that particular tool, yeah, go Docker. So watch the six courses. You will be expert in Docker, right? Whenever you attend interview, you can easily answer for any question on Docker, Terraform, Kubernetes. Okay. So Terraform, Docker, and Kubernetes are the most trending tools right now in the market. Without this, right, no interview will be there. And if you are looking, if you are a beginner and you are looking for a live DevOps training, okay. So I'm starting a DevOps batch 5. When? From 5th January, okay, 2026. I'm starting a new batch from morning 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. IST, Indian time. Monday to Friday you will be having a classes. Saturday and Sunday you will be having a holiday. During Saturday and Sunday we do have a mock interview as well. See today, what is today? November 29th, Saturday. So today we have a mock interview. So whatever you have learned, you will test it. Okay, you need to attend mock interviews. You need to test yourself. Okay, everyone will practice and learn. But when you are market yourself, how you will market yourself? By attending interviews. Okay, you need to have practice of interview as well, not only the practical. Okay, the communication skill also you need to improve. How you will improve? By attending mock interviews whenever I conduct. So you need to utilize more mock interviews, then only you will get confidence and you will attend real interviews and you will perform well in the real interviews. Okay, please like this video. Okay, I will get motivation to upload more videos like this. And okay, you have a doubt, what are the tools I'm going to cover? See, I will zoom it. Okay, let me zoom it. Yeah, I will cover Git, GitHub, Jenkins, right? How to build the code using Maven. Okay, how to test the code. Okay, and we will learn Terraform. Okay, what is Terraform, state file, TF was provider instance, everything. And we will learn Ansible, what is playbook, what are host, what is the target node, Docker file, Docker hub, everything we will learn as part of Docker. We will learn Kubernetes, and we will learn what is microservices and what is monolithic application. And we will learn a real-time project, and as part of this we will learn AWS cloud, some services as well, because everything we will going to do on top of AWS itself. Okay, don't worry. And we will learn Azure DevOps as well, so that you can update your profile of multi-cloud. Okay, you can apply for Azure DevOps related openings as well as AWS DevOps related openings. Okay, so that you have a multiple skill. Yeah, if you have a multiple skill, you will rule the market, because no one will know, right? Everyone will know only one cloud, AWS. But if you know AWS and Azure both clouds, and definitely companies will prefer you. Even if someone selected with only AWS, they will not going to hire that person. They will hire you because you have multi skill. And how to monitor the application, that is also we are going to learn as part of this course. So don't miss the chance. Right now, next level offer is going on. If you enroll before 2025, after entering 2026, right, I'm not going to give any discounts. Okay, before 2026, if you enrolled for my DevOps live classes, you will get a big discount. Ping me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is displayed here: 8500411773. You can save my mobile number as DevOps Easy. Okay, when I update anything, you will get updated. Save my mobile number. In future, if you are looking for DevOps, okay, you can search in your contact DevOps Easy. I know you might be right now studying. Okay, you don't have any plan right now to learn DevOps. You might not have you like any budget issue. Okay, after few months you are planning to learn. It's okay. Okay, you will never find my channel again. Okay, do subscribe. Okay, you will get notified because I am the only person who actively updating videos on my YouTube channel. Or you can just save my mobile number so that whenever you want you can search in your contacts and you can reach out to me, right? Okay, whoever joining my courses, right, they are joining via YouTube itself. Okay, I'm getting audience by seeing my content in YouTube. See who will upload nearly 300 plus videos I've updated. Check my content. Okay, how I'm teaching. Okay, then only decide. So if you go to courses, yeah, let me show you the courses. See, 1 hour ago I've updated. Okay, within 1 hour, nearly 10 plus people have watched my video. I want 100 plus people to watch my videos so that it should helps right people. Okay, I'm updating these videos for yourself. Okay, please like this video. Okay, then only this video will getting boosted and will get more views and it will be reached for more people. Okay, I'm not earning like I'm not hungry to get more views. It will be helpful for so many people. That's the only reason. Okay, yeah, go to playlist section. Check out DevOps batch 1, batch 2 and batch 3 demo, batch 4 demo. I'm going to start the batch by rate. Check all 3 4 demos. Okay, depending upon that you can judge. Okay, I've nearly 4 batches I've explained. Okay, so you can check. So now batch 5 is starting. So that means I'm every batch I'm updating the content. Okay, I'm also becoming expert. And you can check out my AWS solution architect class. I've updated this to check like to get to know that how I teach. Go through watch all, like 1 hour of video if you want to test how I teach. And there is some yeah real-time project also. See, go check in 1 hour plus video is there. Go check how I am teaching. Okay, then only decide whether you want to enroll it or not. Because everyone right loan everyone like invest money to get a better content. After investing money, if you are not satisfied with the amount which you have invested, it will be waste, right? So make decision by seeing the content. If you like, okay, if you can able to follow my right content, then only go forward and enroll. If you are not getting, yeah, it's up to you. You can choose according to your requirement. Okay, this is my WhatsApp number and I'm working on one of the big MNC company. Right, as a passion I'm teaching and no one will conduct mock interviews like this. Okay, what I'm conducting mock interviews for you and I'm updating as well. Okay, let's wait for my student will join, then after I will start the mock interview. Yeah, hi Saru, thank you so much for joining. Do you want to introduce yourself?
Um, sir, sir, once again, sir, is the box really between myself you is the order is there actually basically I'm
Your
doing
voice was breaking.
of what
Yeah, it is audible but little low. Yeah, you can speak.
sir actually currently I am in office so is the mock is happening between myself and
Sorry.
hello
Yes.
sir actually presently I'm in office
Okay.
okay sir Okay, sir. So now more work is there, but I am in office, so it is happening. It is uh, uh, I am facing the network issue.
Okay. So will you able to answer the questions like how
Uh, One second, sir. I am finding. Oh,
on this video? This is the Devops mock interview day 189. We already completed 188 mock interviews. If you are watching this video for the first time in the YouTube, you can check out all mock interviews in the playlist section, and you can like this video so that I will get motivation to upload more mock interviews like this. And I'm starting a new batch on DevOps from January 5th. So if you want to enroll for DevOps live training, you can ping me on WhatsApp. And if you are looking for only a live project, that one also will be provided. Or if you want only mock interviews, that one also is available. You can ping me on WhatsApp, and it's not at all a free. Okay, it's a paid one. And yeah, hi Quitty and Bukshare, thank you so much for joining. I just want Quitty to introduce yourself. I will share you the script by end of the day, Quitty. Your script was ready. I just forget. I will send.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, for now you can write whatever you have. You can deliver it. From next mock interview, you will write
O-
deliver the best one.
Okay, sir. Then will I start?
Yes, go ahead.
Okay. Sir, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I am Shaurabh Bishwas, working with ABC company as a senior DevOps engineer from past 1.5 year. So, regarding my day-to-day activity, on a typical day as a DevOps engineer, I start by checking our Jenkins CI/CD pipelines and monitoring dashboards in Prometheus and Grafana to ensure all systems and deployments are healthy. Also, I review any failed builds or alerts, troubleshoot issues in our Kubernetes clusters, and verify that pods and services are running smoothly. I often work with developers to integrate new services in our CI/CD pipelines and optimize Docker files or Jenkins stages for faster builds. For infrastructure, I use Terraform to provision and manage our cloud resources, mostly in AWS, and ensure all changes are version controlled using Git with proper reviews. I also write and maintain Ansible playbooks for configuration management and server automation. Throughout the day, I collaborate with the team during stand-ups, work on deployment improvements, and the team monitoring alerts or Grafana dashboards for better visibility. Toward end of the day, I review any pending deployments, push my code changes, update Jira tasks, and make sure everything is stable before logging off. So that's all about myself. Thank you.
Yeah, Saurabh. Due to some gap, right, your right introduction was not up to the mark. So even if we don't have a mock interview, if we missed right in 1 or 2 days, so don't stop your practice. Please continue.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. As I said, the new batch will start from 5th January. So the class timing will be from morning 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. IST, and it will start from 5th January and it will end at 18th March.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, Bukshir, could you please introduce yourself?
Yes, good morning, sir, and thank you for the opportunity. My name is Bukshare, and I have 5.5 years of corporate experience, specializing in end-to-end DevOps, cloud automation, and CI/CD delivery. Over the years, I've worked extensively with GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, building scalable CI/CD pipelines using Jenkins, integrating quality gates with SonarQube, security scans with Trivi, and container workflows using Docker and Kubernetes. I'm also strong in infrastructure as code, mainly Terraform and CloudFormation, and I've designed reusable modules, managed state securely, implemented workspaces, and automated multi-cloud provisioning across AWS, GCP, and Azure. On the monitoring and logging side, I have hands-on experience with ELK, Splunk, Sumo Logic, App Dynamics, Prometheus, and Grafana, where I've built dashboards, alerting rules, and log pipelines for observability. In Azure, I've worked with enterprise application, user administration, and storage services. And in AWS, I've handled VPC, CC2, EKS, S3, IAM policies and roles, and end-to-end deployment workflows. I enjoy solving production issues, automating repetitive tasks with Ansible and shell scripting, and improving release efficiency by enabling DevOps best practices. So today I'm looking for a role where I can contribute my hands-on experience in automation, cloud, CI/CD, and Kubernetes, while also growing into more architectural and high-level DevOps responsibilities. Thank you.
Yeah, Bookshare, everything is perfect. Please continue the same. Practice more so that automatically you will deliver right confidently and more perfect.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, I will share my screen so that you can able to see the questions. So by today we will going to end Git. Okay, mostly from the next interview we will focus on other tool. What is Git worktree? Okay. How do you handle monorepo Git projects efficiently?
Sir, I think there is some background noise in your side.
Okay, yeah, no issues. You can continue. What is a pre-receive hook used for? Okay, what is Git in a detached head state and why is it dangerous?
So detached head state are generally states where you can no longer track the commits, and one of the reasons why it is dangerous is because you're not sure which branch you're committing to.
Okay, explain Git GC, nothing but garbage collector. How do you enforce commit message standards?
We can implement pre-commit hooks as part of this to and have rules and standards applicable as part of it, so that every commit before the commit is done, the hooks are run to ensure that they follow these standards. If not, they will not allow the developer to make the commit.
Okay, how do you resolve CR, sorry, CRLF versus LF issues? How do you manage Git conflicts in CI pipeline?
We can use in CI pipelines, we can use Jenkins file as part of every application so that we know which, like in every branch, within every branch, we can have a Jenkins pipeline so that if we are integrating between Git and Jenkins pipeline, only that particular branch gets triggered and no other branch will be triggered. So conflicts between this can be handled, and the other way to handle it is in Jenkins workspaces, where you can check the diff between various files to resolve that conflict as well.
Okay, what is Git pack file? How do you revert a specific file from a specific commit? What is Git's object model? How do you migrate GitLab CI to GitHub Actions? How do you track Git repository performance? How do you create a path file in Git? Sorry, patch file in Git. How do you apply a patch? How do you pick only part of a file for commit? How do you automate Git versioning? Explain Git upstream and origin. How do you optimize Git for CI/CD pipelines? Final question for today. How do you implement Git-based disaster recovery? Okay, these are the questions we'll never ask in the interview questions, interviews in real interviews. Okay, no issues. Let's check the answers. So, what is Git work tree? Allows multiple working directories attached to the same repo. So, Git work tree add feature X, feature Y, nothing but different branches. So, used for large mono repos, multiple environment builds. Okay, how do you handle monorepo Git projects efficiently? So use pass checkout, Git's pass checkout, set folder A, use workers, use subbundles for shared libraries. What is the pre-receive hook used for? So runs on Git server to enforce no direct pushes, allow only certain users, prevent large commits, block commit messages without Jira ID. What is Git in a detached head state and why is it dangerous? It means you are not on a branch. Commits here may get lost unless branched. So you can switch to a new branch or you can switch to the current branch where you will nothing but you are going back to some commit so that it will show as a detached head state. So what is a Git garbage collector? So it will improve the repo performance. How do you enforce commit message standards? So commit message hooks, conventional commits, PR templates, linting tools. How do you resolve CR/LF versus LF issues? Create .git attributes. In that you can mention. How do you manage Git conflicts in CI pipelines? So we can use a auto merge bot. Use Git reuse recorded conflict resolution. So git config from global re.enabled true. What is Git pack file? Git stores objects in a packed format to reduce storage and improve performance. So how do you revert a specific file from a specific commit? Git checkout commit ID and the path of the file. What is Git's object model? So object types are blob, tree, commit and tag stored using right SHA1 ashes. How do you migrate GitLab CI to GitHub Actions? So translate .gitlab ci.yml to workflow YAML, map runners to GitHub runners, convert artifacts, cache and pipeline triggers, test branches, switch protection rules. How to track Git repository performance? Git count objects minus V capital H. How do you create a patch file in Git? Git format patch and -1 commit ID. So how to apply a patch? Git apply file.patch. How do you pick only part of a file for commit? Git add -p. How do you automate Git versioning? So Git tags scripts in CI/CD. Auto tagging after merge. Explain Git upstream and origin. Origin is the default remote pointing to central repo. Upstream, origin parent repository. Sorry, original parent repository, main project you forked. When you fork it, you will get a branch that is a upstream. How do you optimize Git for CI/CD pipelines? Shallow clone, cache-in.git repositories, parallel clone with work trees, skipping unnecessary submodules. How to implement Git-based disaster recovery? So git clone FFL mirror. So backup artifacts, enforce PR only merges, backup secrets, synchronize mirror repos across regions. Okay, so that's it for today. If anyone watching this video on YouTube, please like this video, and you can join my WhatsApp and Telegram group. You can find the links in the description. We'll stop the recording.